Okay, so I'm going to do something that I haven't done before, and it's called an unboxing video. So I've just recently, as you can probably see down here, acquired another single-sided LaserDisc drive from France. It's a PAL version, or should be, and it should be an CLD-S310F, and F being for France from what I can recall, and then there's an S one which is from Spain, and then there's one without either F or S on it which was from the UK. Okay, so we're actually quite close there, as you can see, but we'll still be able to see what way this is wrapped. It doesn't sound like anything's broken inside the box, so usually when these arrive the laser assembly has sheared off the rail and it's rattling around inside. I don't hear that. Now that is the first time ever. I have had an awful lot of these drives delivered to me from France and from Spain from various people over the years, and they always arrive with the laser rattling around. One particular fella I bought some drives from, I had said to him to scotch tape the lens down. You may notice this from one of my previous videos where I had scotch lens written on it. I had literally said to him, get a bit of sticky tape and stick down the flipping lens, because they always come shearing off in the mail. Now, I always laugh when people say, oh, it's the way they packaged it. Well, you know what I mean, even with the best will in the world, I think, you know, packaging is, you know, can be a problem, can not be a problem. But these drives originally were made in Japan, they were shipped all around the world, and the laser assembly never snapped off them. Probably due to the fact that the plastics were new on the laser assembly, on the M holder. Probably due to the fact that the way in which the box was created was designed to allow the odd knock or bump. But generally, I think there's a shearing off because they're old age. But packaging is a big thing. So let's see how well he's packaged this fella up. We'll start by cutting the top here. So here we go. As you can see there, I've got the covering over the my address there and his address. So there are people knocking at the door, and I don't know. Actually, people knock the door, I don't know all the time. It's called the delivery man. Right, okay, so yeah, so the delivery man delivered today, which is a Sunday. And I said to him, fair play to you for working on a Sunday. And he says, yeah, we've a lot of deliveries to do on a Sunday during this month, which is obviously December. And I says, yeah, that's pretty cool. So what's the crack with that? He says, yeah, we got well paid for that, well compensated. What sort of money do you get in that then? And actually I didn't even ask him that. He actually sponsored me straight away. He says, we actually get paid 10 to 12 grand for the month. Anyway, let's go back to this box. That is pretty impressive so far. Look at that. He's actually used, look. Now, see that? This is what I mean. I said it to him, package it well. I think I had a reply off of mind you, but that's very clever. See what I mean? Instead of just using pure bubble wrap and hoping for the best, he's put some extra rolls in there just to give it a bit more rigidity. That's the word of the day, lads, rigidity. I love the way they blame the delivery drivers. But you need to package. Look, another tube, look, see? Another tube. Whoa. Just leave it like that for the rest of the video. Tunnel vision. Right. Yeah, so he's got more, look, he's got more over here, look. I know it's not right on camera, but yeah, he's got more on the left and the right of it here. I have to put these, we're going to put these rolls. Do you know what? It stays like this. Well, I wish I had my gerbils back. And what? Don't mind all that. Wish I had the gerbils back. The gerbils love chewing through these tube things. I'm running down them and all that sort of stuff. And another one, look. That's I tell you. Now that packaging is impressive. That is impressive. Maybe he's had stuff delivered in the past that broke. Look, another one. This is brilliant. This is brilliant. So far, I am very impressed. I'm just going to whip that out of there now. And I'm going to put it down here for the moment. That stuff's there, and I think there was a remote control with this, so I don't know. I can't remember. It's not really a game changer, but it isn't anyway. Can't remember. Oh, what's this here? This is a flattened cardboard tube. I'm going to have a quick look in this box, and I'll be back with you in just a moment. So anyway, let's have a look. See if this remote control is intact. This is intact. And it's actually looking very clean. And it's clean on the inside as well, look. Yeah, so yeah, I always remember the being taped up at the back with sellotape. What, you know? Or we're always dropping it, you know. But anyway, My thing with the remote controls is that they're always missing. So I'm just wondering, like the sock monster, there's the SCART lead, look, actually gold plated and all, actually a nice SCART lead, huh? A bit like the one I have over here, I have a gold plated SCART lead here, so look, that's what we're plugging into our TV, which is just out of shot, so we can test our drive. So yeah, so I'm always amazed that the remote controls go missing. And one of the things I suspect is that the remote controls are on some remote island, along with all the socks that go missing in the washing machine. I have a solution to the sock problem, by the way. There is a solution. I'm going to reveal it to you now. Buy hundreds of pairs of the same type of sock. That way, if one goes missing in the wash, you're never going to know, because you got a whole washing machine full of the same sock. You see? So every sock is the same, so you don't have to worry about matching the socks up. Just literally take them out of the washing machine and match the socks up. See? Well, that's just me now, you know. Now we went to talk about socks. We were talking about LaserDisc drives. Well, you know, we're unpackaging here a device, so I don't know what else we're going to talk about apart from this lovely bubble wrap, you know. Again, it's nicely wrapped with those cardboard rolls, those cardboard tubes. That's a blooming good tip there. If anybody wants a good tip into the package something, it's the cardboard tubes. That's good. As I said, so far I think this one has arrived without being broken to tiny little bits. So we will find out. Providing I don't drop it on the floor, everything should be okay. Okay, we're looking good. Now I am going to open the drive up just to make sure nothing is loose inside, because the last thing I want to do is put a disc into the drive and it's, you know, there's something in there loose and it damages the disc that I put into it. I don't know whether you can see, there's a fire here behind me, see? Because it's absolutely freezing. I'm not usually a person that gets cold, but for some reason it's extremely cold. Usually I'm moving about more than I am at the minute. You know, doing this sort of work, you tend to be standing quite still. You can get cold very quick. So like I said, I'm just going to open it up just to make sure that there's nothing obvious on the inside that's broken off our shirt. But I have to say the cabinet, like this cabinet is absolutely immaculate. The last time I've seen one this clean, this immaculate, was one I bought from an English fella a couple of years back, and it was immaculate. I kept it. I actually didn't even open it up. It was just so beautiful. I was like looking at it and going, wow, like where was this drive? Like this is absolutely immaculate. Really isn't. That is unbelievable. I thought it was going to be every single Frenchman I've received has these removed. There's damage to the top of it. It's just being wrecked and beyond repair. And I actually must take a picture of these because I wouldn't mind recreating that for one I have elsewhere. So maybe I'll do that. Take a picture of it. Take a picture, it'll last longer. That's my Duke Nukem impression. Not as good as LGR, but good enough. Right, okay, so now there's two screws at the back as well, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and that gets the whole cover off. For those of you at home that are counting. So this screwdriver is a Phillips screwdriver. There are Posies as well, this is a Phillips. The difference between a Posi screwdriver and a Phillips is the Phillips screwdriver only has 4, whereas the Posi has the little bits on the inside here as well. So a Posi is this one. So this is the Posi, and that's the Phillips. Right? Now, I'll snap it out of the way. So let's have a quick look at the inside here. Oh my god, it smells like new in there. That is unbelievable. That is actually unbelievable. Unbelievable. And it is perfectly attached. There's no problems there. So that's lovely. Power supply looks beautiful and clean. There's no black or burns. There's no marks. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So this is manufactured in August of 1997. So this machine is absolutely spotless, it really is. So now obviously I haven't got the connection for this. This is the French connection. The French connection. Yeah, this is you pick your feet in Poughkeepsie. The French connection. Yeah, anybody who knows the French connection knows that sort of joke, is there? So this is the French connection. I need to have the adapter. So if I don't have an adapter, I'll plug it in. But we will plug it in and we will see if she powers up or goes kaboom. A moment of truth, let's see if it turns on. Yep, we're on. Oh, she's a bit squeaky. May need a greasing. Yeah, sounds okay. Disc is moving. Now, I don't have a PAL disc here handy, so I'm going to have to go get a PAL disc. Right, pal, bud, chum, mate. Okay, so this is a demonstration disc. It's in CAV format. It's just the closest one I have to hand at the moment. I actually do have the French connection, would you believe, in a PAL disc, but it's a fair bit of a distance away at the minute, so I'm not going to go grabbing that just yet. This is live down here, so I've got to be very careful I don't go touching that. This disc actually has 4 different versions. This is the English and German version. There's also a Netherlands / a Dutch and French version, and I have that as well. So I was actually hoping to put the French one in, considering it's had to come and making its way all the way from France. But we just put in the English side on side 1 and see if it reads the disc, and then we'll aim our camera at the monitor and see what the picture looks like. And fingers crossed, everything should be okay. Okay, let's see the disc go in first. Does it read it? Yes, it sees it as an LD. Now let's see if it actually plays the disc. Here we go. Sounds good. Sounds good. Looking good. Yep. Let's read the disc on the front. So we'll now beam it on the TV and we see what the picture looks like. Okay, so I don't have it beamed directly at the television. And yeah, there's a bit of fuzz all right there, isn't there? Could be a multitude of things. Anyway, I'm going to play the disc. Looks all right there. Yeah. But the fact I'm using a SCART, you know, it might be better off if I use the RCA output instead. But anyway, let's see if it plays back. This is the PAL disc here. Yeah, it looks better on the TV now, in fairness, than it does on that now. Yeah, it's okay, yeah. This picture's pretty good, yeah. Very watchable. Let's see how quick it is to move around the disc. I think it's chapter 6 is the one I like the most. It's very nippy. All I do is I'll put it on the TV in the house there, see if that's any better, because that's a plasma in there. It's an LCD here I'm using. Still looks very good. Picture looks better in real life now, in fairness. But it's not bad there at all. It's not bad for a drive that's been sitting around for a while, huh? Yeah, I'm impressed with that now. I am impressed.
You're watching LaserDisc. The ultimate in home entertainment.
Ooh, the ultimate, huh? Let's do a fast forward here.
Technology is.
Let's fast forward. Catalogue of discs, yeah. Where's the bit I like? That goes Madonna there. Silence of the Lambs. Oh, we go back to that. That's a pretty good clip.
Would you please
Let's look a bit. Look at this one.
drive? Would you please repeat the destination? Oh, anywhere, just go. Please state.
Does go.
Shit.
Did you hear about Arnold Schwarzenegger?
I'm not familiar with.
He was playing a game of chess with somebody else, and they said, "What colour do you want to be?" And Arnold Schwarzenegger says, "I'll be black." That was a terrible joke, but
Fasten your seatbelt.
I'm talking over it so they don't try to stop it, you know. Great scene this, isn't it? Come on, Arnie. Put the foot down. I'd say it'd be pretty hard to drive a car with a joystick. I'm not meaning the PC, I mean in real life, you know. Ah, yes. Great. Okay. Not going any further with that. Yeah, the picture quality is blooming good, yeah. No, that's not what I want. Where is it? Come on, go backwards. This is now going backwards to the disc. So this is the laser head now moving backwards on the disc. Pretty good. I am very happy with that. Yeah, as the man says, I wouldn't go doing anything to it. This is the bit. This is it. This is my favourite thing.
The same technology as compact disc gives you the disc players. You can play all 5 kinds of disc.
Yeah, that wobble over here isn't a part of the TV, so obviously the camera is set off wrong. It's not correct. That's a shame.
To complement the audio-visual power of LaserDisc,
There, that's the way it should be. That's correct now.
projection television.
Wrong.
Its brilliant, sharp picture makes it the heart of any home entertainment system.
Right. Wrong. I'll have to. There must be a setting here to change that, you know. Yeah, I've just rewound there a bit, and I've just checked the camera settings. There's no compensation for the change, unfortunately.
Projection television.
I'll have to do a direct copy for you. But anyway, there you are. It's running. That's wrong. That's right. Wrong. But it's working. Anyway, I'd like to just say thank you very much for watching this unboxing, and stay around because we've more coming in the future. See you again. Bye bye.